Hello guys, this is Gino from GT Creations, and this time I'm going to unbox the wireless surround speaker package for selected LG soundbars. This 2.0 package adds rear surround channels to your existing soundbar. Each speaker is covered by metal mesh grille except the backside. Both delivers 70 watt with a total of 140 watt RMS power. Provisions are given at the back and bottom of the speaker unit for mounting onto speaker stand. It comes with a special attachment to get rid of magnetic interference. The rear speakers are not entirely wireless. The wires are provided to connect the speakers with wireless receiver unit. The wireless receiver unit is small and lightweight with a matte black piano black finish. Because of its small size, it can be easily hid behind sofa or couch. Connecting the speaker wires are simple using push connectors, but make sure that the left and right channels are correctly connected. Do the same with the wireless receiver. Turn on the power and the wireless receiver is connected instantly to the main soundbar. In my current setup, I am using LG SL7Y 3.1 soundbar. Once paired with the surround rear speaker, I can enjoy true 5.1 surround audio from proper sources. The soundbar remote controller can be used for rear speaker settings. This can also be done using LG speaker application. The rear speaker volume and surround sound mode can be adjusted. I prefer to keep this in original sound so that the sound will come through the speakers only when there is a rear surround channel from the original source. Here I have connected the soundbar to LG C9 OLED TV. If the soundbar is connected to TV using an optical connection, make sure that the pass-through is enabled and LG SoundSync is turned off. Otherwise you will not get 5.1 audio channel. If the connection is made using HDMI ARC, the digital sound can be set to either auto or pass-through. Now we will play some Dolby Digital and DTS soundtracks. If you press the I button on the soundbar remote controller, you can see what is the sound format being played. Here in this case, it is Dolby Audio. Also in the player settings, you can see AC3 5.1 channel is played and the pass-through is enabled. Overall, I am impressed by its performance. If you already have any of these LG soundbars listed, I strongly recommend you to get this one. This could make a huge difference in the overall movie watching experience. Hope you guys like this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. This helps a lot. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.